I just want to give you a little pep talk. In fact, I think you're doing an amazing job. You're taking time out of your life to take action, to watch these lessons and do the work. You will see results. Now that you have noodled your wish, you've written down, you've thought about your obstacles, you've sort of mined your skill set, meaning you really outlined all those things, and you outlined your plan. You brainstorm all the things that need to happen. I'm going to say that the next list that we have to talk about are the people that are in your world that can help you make your wish come true. Now, it's funny, but I think we all don't really take stock in the communities that we've built, the people that we have in our lives, and what they mean to us. In a way, we take it for granted. And maybe many of us also have different groups of people from different areas of our life. So they may have friends that you have through your children's school community, or you may have family members, or you may have friends from different schools that you've attended, or places that you've lived, or organizations or hobbies that you're a part of. And because we don't focus on them all the time, we don't really recognize how big our networks are. So now, before we start getting into who you're going to reach out to and who you're going to talk to, let's just take stock of who are your people. Who do you know? So again, I'm going to put this in the worksheets that the different buckets of communities that you have access to, just write them down. And if you need to jog your memory, maybe go check out the social feeds, your social, who do you follow on Facebook, or think about, go back to your pictures, maybe 5 years ago. I don't know, I have so many pictures on my phone. I can go back years and years. And it's like, oh yeah, I haven't reached out to that person. I wonder what they're up to. Check out your LinkedIn communities. Just start to really see who is in your world. Who's in your world? Write them down. Because when you are making your wish come true and you tap into confidence to start to talk about your wish, and to give it voice, and perhaps ask people for help, to reach out to them, you don't even realize how many people you know. Or let's say you know somebody and they know so many people. So again, when I talk to people, I live in Los Angeles, and in my communities, both as an entertainment, I was an actress for many years and teach. I have a very big network, and sometimes I've heard people say to me, "Oh my gosh, Alexa, I don't know how you do this. Like, you just know a million people." And what I'm hearing from them is, "I can't do what you do. I do not have that network." And to them, I say, "No, you do have a network. You just haven't focused on it that way." I've cultivated this muscle about networking because it's something that I love and I value. And I've used it over and over again when I've promoted my creations or my courses or my offerings. And so what I'm saying to you is, just bring fresh eyes and an open spirit to really looking at your network, because you are going to tap into this network. And when you do, you're then going to discover, oh, I didn't know that this person knows the CEO of blah, 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 or that they're part of this amazing walking group who's someone who's in there knows someone who's... It just becomes this ripple effect of a community that you didn't even realize you have already. So I want you to brainstorm all the people that are in your world, people that you feel that might really resonate with what you're doing, and they might be into it. Now, once you put that list together, you may realize that there are people who will not be into what you're doing, who maybe aren't, they're the ones that are kind of promoting those voices of doubt and insecurity. Yeah, we don't want to talk to those people. But you need to be aware of them. So go ahead and take stock. Take an inventory of the people in your world and then sit with it. Look at it and see if you can check in with yourself. What impulse do you have to be like, oh yeah, I'm going to check in with her. I'm going to tell her about my wish, what I'm up to. You're going to use your intuition to guide you. Who in that list can help you as an ally, as a support to make your wish come true? You'll see. But you have to know who you have in your orbit to begin with. So write them down. You can use my worksheet as a guide. Now, if you have any questions, be sure to leave them in the comments below.